Let's talk about ECOSMO 20 lightweight alloy folding city bike bicycle, 12 kilograms 20AF09BL. Lightweight aluminum frame, bike only 12 kilograms. 7-speed SHIMANO gears 20 by 1.35 KENDA tire. Adjustable handlebar stem. Patented folding lock, super safe and convenient. Folding pedals, alloy rear rack, alloy crank. I have used this bike twice a week for the last 9 months. Each journey is about 2 miles. It was very cheap to purchase, but given the low mileage, quite unreliable. As other purchasers have also noted, I have had to replace the pedals after failure and the handlebars have buckled whilst riding. Every nut, bolt and screw that can work loose does so repeatedly. I have to carry a bike tool with me on the 2-mile journey so I can tighten things up before the return journey. If you want a cheap fold-up bike that you are going to throw away after a short period of use, then this is the bike for you. Otherwise, unless you really can't afford to pay more, I would steer clear of this model. After only a little bit of use, I don't consider it mechanically safe. Update: after a year's ownership, we have put the bike in the bin as it was mechanically unreliable and ultimately not worth the time and money to keep it on the road. Nice bike. I live in a first floor flat. It was the weight of this bike that attracted me. Easy to carry up one flight of stairs.